Inside your chest, a powerful rhythm never stops. The heart sits slightly left of center, between the lungs. With every beat, it pushes life through an endless network of vessels. Arteries carry fresh blood outward, while veins guide it gently back home. This constant motion keeps every cell alive. Even at rest, your heart works non-stop, silently. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the human body, like the video and subscribe to AI Meditalks. Blood doesn't work alone. In the lungs, circulation meets breathing. Here, blood releases carbon dioxide and collects fresh oxygen. Millions of tiny exchanges happen every second. This is where energy begins. Without this step, nothing else works. Want more science explained clearly? Subscribe to AI Meditalks and stay curious. Oxygen-rich blood now travels everywhere, from the brain to muscles to every hidden corner of your body. In the smallest vessels, blood slows down. This allows oxygen and nutrients to leave the bloodstream. Cells receive exactly what they need to survive. Nothing is wasted. Everything is precise. If this surprised you, hit like and comment what part amazed you most. Not all blood is about delivery. Some of it must be cleaned and balanced. The liver filters harmful substances from circulation. It processes nutrients and protects your internal balance. Every drop of blood passes quality control here, silently, constantly. This is how your body protects itself. Follow AI Meditalks for smarter health insights. The brain demands special care. Its blood supply is tightly controlled. Only selected substances are allowed to pass. This barrier keeps your thoughts safe. Even tiny changes here can affect everything. Focus, memory, and movement all depend on it. If you value your brain, subscribe to AI Meditalks. Knowledge is protection. Blood always finds its way back. Veins guide it upward, even against gravity. Special valves prevent it from flowing backward. And when injury occurs, blood transforms to protect you. Clotting stops bleeding and begins healing. This is your body's hidden intelligence. Like, subscribe, and share AI Meditalks, because here we don't just treat the body, we understand it.